Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in These Steps Cooking. Today, I'm going to share with you potato curry, and we call it aloo. We always make aloo curry or potato curry with the peas, and today I'm going to bring a twist into it. I'm going to use garbanzo beans, chitte chole, and this is very tasty and very delicious. Please try this combination and you're going to love it. The kids going to enjoy it. I'm going to use 4 potatoes, 1 onion. You can use any color, no preference. You can use fresh garlic. I'm going to use a frozen garlic. 1 can of garbanzo beans, chitte chole. These are pre-cooked. So I'm going to open the can and I'm going to wash it with the cold water. Then I'm going to use 1 green chili and 1 inch ginger, 1 fresh tomato, onions and the garlic cloves. I'm going to use 5 garlic cloves. So as I mentioned, these are frozen. I'm going to put it in the food processor and I'm going to make smooth gravy. I'm going to use olive oil. Degi mirch is strictly optional, and then I'm going to use other spices which I'm going to share with you. All the spices are 1 teaspoon each: cumin powder, salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, black pepper, and cumin seed. Potato, I peeled it, I cut into small pieces, and I put it into cold water so that they won't change the color. Onion, I cut into small pieces, and we're going to put it in food processor. Garbanzos, chitte chole are washed. Garlic clove, ginger, tomato, and green chili. We're going to put in food processor along with olive oil. So I have my food processor ready. We're going to put the onion, tomato, ginger, green chili, and garlic clove. 2 tablespoons olive oil. We're going to make a smooth paste. It's all done. It does not take that long. It's really nice, smooth gravy. And let's start making tadka. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. And I'm going to bring our tadka into fry pan. And we're going to cook our tadka really well. At this moment, you don't need to add any olive oil because we already added into our food processor. At the same time, I'm going to bring cumin seed, which is jeera. Mix it well and we're going to cook it really well. Once our tadka will be nicely cooked, then we're going to bring the potatoes. So keep moving so our tadka won't get burned. Cooking our tadka for 5 minutes. As you can see, it's to release all the oil. And now I'm going to bring all the spices: turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now I'm going to bring the potatoes. The potatoes are washed. Mix it well. Once all the potatoes are nicely combined with our tadka, I'm going to bring the gas to medium and spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes on medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes with the cover lid. And I'm going to mix it. The whole reason I cook with tadka, so the potatoes can soak all the masala, all the flavor. And now I'm going to bring 2 cups water. As for gravy, you can adjust according to your taste. If you need a running gravy, you can add more water. If you need thick gravy, then 2 cups is good. Now I'm going to bring the gas on high I'm going to bring garbanzos, chitte chole. As I mentioned, it's a strictly optional 1 teaspoon degi milk. Mix it well. If you like hot food, you always can add red chili powder or paprika. So after mixing it well, cover with the lid on high gas. We're going to cook it for 5 minutes. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it well. Now I'm going to bring the temperature to medium low, which is number 3. Cover with the lid and we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. On medium low gas, cooking for 10 minutes with the cover lid. I'm going to start the fan and I'll open it. Mix it well. Our aloo curry is all ready, and if we check it, the potatoes are nicely cooked. And the last ingredient, cilantro, dhania, good amount of cilantro. Mix it well and I will dish out. Turn off the gas. I have my serving karahi and I will dish out. Potato curry along with garbanzo beans, chitte chole with aloo is all ready and it's super delicious. Please try it and you can serve with roti, chapati, naan, fulka and best of all with rice flour. You can also serve with tortilla and bread. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.